fire boots. No way. No way. That's all. That's all. A boot for a boot. A boot for a boot. No way. No way. No way. A boot for a boot. A boot for a boot. No way. No way. No way. No way. A boot for a boot. A boot for a boot. No way. No way. No way. No way. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. No way. No way. No way. A boot for a boot. A boot for a boot. A boot for a boot. No way. No way. No way. That's all.
I am not ready to go be a slave. Yes. I'm an African. Yes. I want to travel. I should go to Tanzania. Yes. I want to travel. I want to go to Namibia. Yes. If I want to travel. I want to go to Burkina Faso. Yes. If I want to travel, I want to go to Egypt. Of course. If I want to travel, I want to go to Lesotho. Yes. If I want to travel, I want to go to Ethiopia. Yes. These are the countries that we want to travel to. We want to be dying. Yes. When the leaders are coming to Africa to come and pick the natural resources, they're the youth of Africa. We are ready to bring back the leaders of Europe and America.
Atlantic Ibrahim Traore Jino. And 1990 man one
President was sitting your own colleagues. Your own colleague was speaking to as his own colleague. It was only embarrassing to the continent of Africa. We are actually the leaders of Africa.
Yes, on the level be there where La Tonta had a bondo.
Because we are winning a hundred we cannot fight for Americans. We can only fight. Enough is enough. Yes. Enough is enough. Yes. Enough is enough. Yes. Donald Trump was playing an old video. A video that is happening in Congo. Millions of people are dying in Congo. They were not able to solve the solution in Congo. From 1996, there are a number of people who are dying in Congo. After the World War II, there is no any deadliest war in the world today. Not Palestine, not Israel, not Russia, not Ukraine. It's in DR Congo. How many times our media broadcast anything from Congo? How many times do the media broadcast anything? What is happening in Congo? Enough is enough. United States of Africa. Go and see what is happening in Sudan. I did not see what is happening in Sudan. Have they put it on their media before? I did not see what is happening in Congo. Have they put on their media before? Anything they want to say about Africa, when we have a good leader, whatever they want to assassinate our good leaders, that is the plan that they take. But this time around, if there is no media, Gaddafi time, there was a media at this time. Yes. When Gaddafi was giving free education in Libya, they were telling us Gaddafi is a dictator. When Gaddafi was giving free healthcare in Libya, they were telling us Gaddafi is a dictator. Gaddafi was giving apartment to people to sleep. They were telling us Gaddafi is a dictator because there is no media. It takes diaspora in America, Europe to speak to Africa. $500 million US for just a single year. When they just call their parents at home, Mama, how are you doing? I am so fine, my son. Daddy, how are you doing? I am so fine, my daughter. European was making $500 million every single year. We take Gaddafi, call the leaders of Africa, and say enough is enough. We need to have a satellite for our people. Gaddafi alone stand out of Libya oil to contribute $300 million US for a satellite so that the Africans, they can make a telephone call. Today we are making a telephone call. It doesn't cost us any much. It takes Gaddafi to ask Africa. We cannot be depending on the IMF. We cannot be depending on the World Bank. Therefore, we need African Development Bank. Gaddafi alone put up over $70 billion US for African Development Bank. What happened? When they have seen the initiative of the guy, then they say, no, this guy is coming out with something. We need to take a plan. We take another black African to intercede for the assassination of Gaddafi. But we are telling them, if they are using their media to tell us what Gaddafi has done, because we were not able to see, which the media was not popular in the world by them. Today, we have the media. May glory be to the man who gave us this TikTok app, which we are using effectively to receive news across everywhere. Africa for Africans. The time is now. We must unite. We are telling the leaders, we are not encouraging coup d'etat. We are encouraging good leadership. We are not supporting Captain Ibrahim Traore because he came out of coup d'etat. We are supporting what he's doing. See the number of roads is constructing. See the number of hospitals is moving over there. See the number of apartments Captain Ibrahim Traore is doing. Less than 3 years. We have leaders go to Cameroon. Kabila have been in office for how many years? Kabila have been in office over 43 good years. You know how the people of Cameroon. People of Cameroon are still crying every day. Go to a country called Uganda. Museveni have been in office for so many years. They have never go and tell Museveni, hey, your time of leadership is too long. If democracy is working in Africa, then you must go and somebody also come. Go to Togo here, Ghana, our neighbor. The president of Togo is just like S2. That when your father is not there, you can come and overtake it. Look at what is happening there. We are tired. African leaders, we are tired. And we need the one unity of Africa.
Otherwise, you will be slaves forever. Nothing will change.
Africa, the united flag of Africa. Yes. The united flag of Africa. Let's be one. The united flag of Africa. The united flag of Africa. The united flag of Africa. This is the united flag of Africa.
So if you just join us, this protest in solidarity with Burkina Faso President Ibrahim Traore, right here in the city of Accra, the beautiful city of Accra, the beautiful city of Accra, right here at the beautiful city of Accra. Let us know where you are watching from. Let us know where you are watching from. Let us know where you are watching from. Let's see your country flags. Your country flags.